How to change WhatsApp invite link. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any group chat from the list. Then tap on the group chat name at the top. Here, you can view the group chat information as well as manage the chat settings. Now scroll down to the Members section and tap on Invite to Group via link. This is the link to this group chat on WhatsApp. Here, you can send this link via WhatsApp or you can share this link with friends in other platforms. You can also copy the link or use QR code to share. Now, tap on Reset Link if you want to change the invite link. Tap on Reset Link again to confirm. If you reset the link, no one will be able to use the previous one to join this group. You have now successfully reset the previous link and a new invite link has been created. Following these steps, you can easily change WhatsApp invite link.